Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a long time because I was shifting my house and I was not well also, so it was a long break. So I have a lot of videos to shoot and a lot of products to review, and today I'm back with a product review and I'm going to review this product. So this is from the brand called Attitude, and this is a sub brand of Amway. So let's start the video with a detailed review of this product. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It looks exactly the inner packet. It has all the details of the product. This is the palette. It has also all the details of the product, the shades names, the expiry date and everything. It retails for 599 rupees, which is very affordable. It opens like this. It has a very decent size mirror here. It has an applicator also, which is okay, not that helpful. Let me give you a swatch of this. These are the swatches of the product. Very nice shades. It's kind of nude shades. And really these are very pigmented. It's kind of quite creamy, which I like a lot, because powdery eyeshadows are always, for short time, they are not long lasting. Look at the gorgeous shades. You can purchase this product from Amway retailer only. You may get good discount also, or you may purchase this from Amway website, which is www.amway.in. I'll put the link in the description box below. From my experience, I'll definitely suggest you guys to give it a try. This is a very exciting product and it's worth the money. So this is all about today's video, and this is all about the product. I'll come with another exciting product from the same brand. So stay tuned to my channel. Till then, bye.